Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. I want to show you something that I just put together. It's a cross pearl bracelet and it's so pretty. In fact, I like it so much I'm going to make some earrings to go with it. So stay tuned for that. But let's start making this bracelet. I want to show you how to do this. We're going to start off with some beadle-on memory wire, and this is a large bracelet form. So let's open this up. And you can get this anywhere. You can get this at Hobby Lobby. You can get it at Michael's. Using my memory wire cutters, I'm going to take a circle and I'm going to cut it so I have room on this tip to put my cross. So I'm going to cut this like that, so it overlaps at the top. Then we're going to take our, these little twisty tubes come in silver and gold. So I'm going to use some silver. I think that's going to look nice with the white cross. Empty that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and start stacking on my tubes. I'm not sure how many I'm going to need, so let's count them as we go. So this is 2. And this is 3. And then we're going to switch and go to the other side. So this one's 4. Five. And 6. All right, so now what I need up here at the top is I need room for my cross. So I'm going to put this aside, and what I need are some silver beads right here. So I have some beads, and these are silver, titanium, silver, hematite. So I think I'm going to use these. I think that's going to be okay. So I'm going to put 2 on here. And then I'm going to take my cross and slide this on. And this is where I'm going to need some Nylon Jaw Pliers, because my hands are slipping on the wire. I'm going to push it and push it. And I can see the little tip coming out here, so that's perfect. So this is exactly where I want this. And then these I'm going to go ahead and push up so there's no space in my bracelet. I'm going to add 2 more on this side because I have 2 on this side. Oops. And now I need to pick a pearl. So let's see. I'm going to pick one where I like the shape. I kind of like this one, but again, it depends if it fits or not. So let's see if this is going to fit on there. No, it's a little bit tight. I don't think it's going to go on. So let's take this one off. And maybe, let's see, maybe this one will look good. So see if this one will fit. That's always the challenge when you work with pearls, because the holes are so small and you want to make something, okay, it fits perfectly, but you're not sure if the pearl will go on it. So I need to push this up just a little bit more. I'm going to grab onto this and push that together. So I think that looks really nice for the top. So now what I need to do is cut it here, but my memory wire cutters are not going to allow me to do that because there's this huge space right here. So it's not going to be flush. It won't be flush like that. It's going to cut way out. So what I'm going to do is get my marker and I'm going to mark right there so I know where to cut. I can slide my pearl off and I'm going to cut right there where I put my Sharpie mark. Just like that. And with the Sharpie mark on the pearl, I can just rub it against something. I also put some water on this to make it easier to come off. So I'm gonna rub it like that. And that looks pretty good. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna use my E6000. I'm gonna take off this cap and put on a smaller cap. Screw that on. Okay, I'm gonna put my memory wire close to my tip, squeeze some of it out. Put a little bit more on. Okay, now let's see if my pearl can still fit on there because this glue is fairly thick. And it does, so that's great. So this needs to set. So I'm gonna let that set and then I'm gonna take this one off. Put some glue on this one. And then I'm going to put my cross on, back on, slip that on. And then just for safe measure, I'm going to just put a dab on the front of the hole there and here. And just let that dry. And there we have it. So pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful and useful for you in your jewelry making process. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time. And stay tuned for those earrings.